This is gonna change our lives.
Few weeks ago, Adobe has released a new version of Premium Pro 22.0, and in this I will show you 3 new updated features that no one is talking about because you are new here. Welcome creators, my name is Abhijit. This channel is all about video editing. If this sounds interesting to you, consider subscribing the video. Let's move on the first one, which is simplify sequence. As you can see, when we edit our video on timeline, we simply messed up our workflow. But don't worry, new Adobe version got us covered. As you can see on my editing timeline, I'm already editing my client video and it is pretty messed up so far. In new version, click on the sequence in which you are editing. Here, go to the sequence option here and click on the simplify sequence. As you can see on the older version, this option was not present. After clicking the option, you can see a layer is pop up over the screen and you can see a bunch of options here. You can name your simplify sequence whatever you want, and going down, and if you want to remove empty tracks or the transition, disable clips, whatsoever you want to remove, just check on of them. For me it's only empty tracks, and see, it automatically simplify the tracks. Firstly, previous one it's just look like this, and simplify one is looking cool. Try it for yourself guys, it's awesome. For second is Lumetri curve refinements. As you can see on previous version, whenever we drag this or enlarge or minimize this, the RGB curve section of Lumetri panel size remains same. But in the latest version, it's totally depend on you that how you want the size. Lumetri curve refinement make adjustment more efficient with a more spacious rectangular window and easier selection of adjustment point on Luma or RGB curves. Simply drag this and adjust it according to your need, or you have to save this worksheet of color grading by clicking on the editing option here and click on the save as a new workspace. It's totally depend on you guys. Let's move on to the third, it's Colorize Spectroscope. For the past few years, it's been very difficult to color grade our footage by seeing the vectorscopic graph. It's been very hard guys. But on the latest update, whenever we increase the curve or adjust the color, which provide a much richer representation of color components in our image. It makes it easier to see how the colors change as you can apply grading adjustment. As you can see on the graph, some red, blue, something is coming with color. I think it is very useful to us for color grading. In our footage. If you want to know how to change any color in Premium Pro, watch this video. Hope you like it, or if you have any other tricks in your sleeve, please mention in the comment box. I love to know. Bye bye guys.